The Design and Technology Lab is a creative technology-based workshop that supports research, scholarship, curriculum, and entrepreneurship activities across the Creative School at Toronto Metropolitan University. The lab facilitates the use of and access to a wide range of equipment, always looking to evolve the role that this technology can play across disciplines. Having this variety of digital fabrication, scanning, as well as AR, VR, and XR equipment in one space offers a unique opportunity to explore, make, and prototype in a hands-on, experiential learning environment. Our 8,300 square foot integrated workshop includes a woodshop space with a wide range of power tools and hand tools, a metalworking shop with MIG and TIG welding capabilities, 4 robotic arms, including a KUKA KR150 housed in our high bay, a Ricoh flatbed UV printer, a Stoll digital knitting machine, a wide range of 3D printers including FDM, SLA, SLS, and binder jetting technologies, 3 laser cutters, including a Trotec Speedy 2000 with a 99 by 66 inch cutting bed, a 5 by 10 foot 3-axis CNC mill, a Tormac 4-axis milling machine, as well as a handheld shaper mill, a Rokoko motion capture suit, 3D scanners, VR headsets, and drones. The Design and Technology Lab offers laser cutting and 3D printing through our online service bureau. Projects requiring the use of other hardware and software can be discussed during our open lab hours, when students can work in the space directly with our technicians. The lab also hosts weekly workshops year-round, focusing on a range of digital fabrication skills and equipment. Through an annual partnership with the Design Fabrication Zone, we also offer up to 10 student grants. Grant recipients receive $500 towards realizing their project goals, and the opportunity to work in the lab with hands-on support from our technicians. To learn more about the Design and Technology Lab, visit our website and follow us on social media.